Hi, my name is Azubog Peace Udoka, and this is my team. As at November 2024, we were complete novices on how to develop artificial intelligence tools, but thanks to the Unicorn Group of companies and World Bank Ideas Project, we were taken through a series of grooming through classes, interactive discussions, quizzes, and group projects. And this helped us to actually gain knowledge and experience on how to develop artificial intelligence tools for the benefit of mankind. My colleague here will tell you more about the project we worked on as a group.
Thank you very much. So my name is Gerald Okolo Edinri, and as regarding the World Bank Ideas Project, due to the grooming and teachings and classes and everything, we were able to come up with a chatbot, WeChat in the sense of World Bank Ideas chatbot. We use it now to answer questions and chat and anything regarding World Bank Ideas Project or Unicorn companies as a whole.
Thank you, Unicorn. Thank you, World Bank Ideas.